Hello everybody, Matt Stewart here from Entrepreneur Me. I'm delighted this morning to give you an overview into this magnificent programme here, Enterprises the Business, that's going to be happening really soon in St Thomas's Primary School and Carntyne Primary School. And I'm very grateful to the people at Kier Construction and SBS, the Scottish Prison Service, for agreeing to support what is a magnificent 8-week enterprise activity for young people, where the young people are going to learn about the world of business and the skills for life and for work. So on Tuesday, the 24th of February, we will be in St Thomas's Primary School. And I hope that you can come along. Now, let me give you a little overview of the day. We're going to have quite a number of young people, 60, 70 young people at St Thomas's, and they're going to be working in their team. They're going to be starting a business. They're going to be receiving a business loan from me. They're going to be applying for jobs. So we will have loads of different jobs in the day. We will have the project leader. We will have the quantity surveyor. We will have the cost manager. We'll have the quality controller. We'll have the young people will look at the different jobs and they'll match the jobs to their skills in their team, and they will take on one of the job roles. They'll then get a loan of some money to start their company, to start their business, and they will manufacture products. Yeah, and they will go to a supply store. They'll buy loads of different materials. They'll need to be budgeting. They'll need to use their numeracy. And they will buy the materials, bring them back to their team. They'll all be making different products with a construction theme. And of course, like in business, once you've made something, you need to sell it. And they will then take the products that they've made over to a panel of buyers, where they'll pitch the products to the buyers. And you could be a buyer as a business volunteer, and you'll negotiate with the young people. And maybe the young people will make a sale and you'll buy their product. You'll pay them for a cheque. They'll take their cheque to the bank. The finance department would obviously do that. And they would cash their cheque, and their money will grow through the day. And they're going to be enterprising. They're going to be working together. They're going to be growing their money. They're going to be overcoming many business challenges. And they're going to be having great fun while they do all of this. So it's Tuesday, the 24th of February, and it's in St Thomas's Primary School. Now, a few weeks later, Tuesday, the 10th of March, we're going to be in Carntyne Primary School. And again, I'm very grateful to Kier Construction and to SBS for the support to run these programs. And again, you could come along if you wanted. Maybe you could be a business buyer in Carntyne or in St Thomas's. Maybe you could be a tax collector, because all businesses, I nearly said young businesses, but all businesses, we all have to pay our tax, and the young people who are running their company will have to pay tax. So you could be a tax collector, you could be a negotiator, you could be what's called the head of productivity, which is a brilliant job. I'll tell you more about that on the day. Or you could be a banker and supporting the young people to cash their cheques and to make charity donations from their business. Or maybe you could work in a supply store. So both of those days are full days. They are starting just after 9 a.m. So if you were there at 9 a.m, we would have a morning break about 10:45ish for 15 minutes. We'd have a wee cuppa, and then we'd have lunch about 1 o'clock. Lunch would be supplied to you. And we would finish just before 3 o'clock, just to let the kids get home at 3 o'clock, and maybe we would have a wee debriefing session after and be cleared for 3:15 or 3:30, which is brilliant. Now, I can guarantee you'll be fully supported on the day. I'll be there for both days. We will be having an enterprise blast, and I'd love you to be part of it. Please, yeah, come along. You'll love it. You'll really love it. Now, I should tell you that these 2 full days are just the start of the enterprise journey that Kier and SPS are supporting. The young people are going to be taking first stage 8-week enterprise program, and they are going to become do-good entrepreneurs. You can probably see my smile. After the full day, what the young people are going to do is they're going to do a literacy review. What did you learn on the day? They're then going to be offered the opportunity to start a real business with real money. In the first 2 days, it's all pretend money. But now we're going to do it for real. They're going to produce a business plan over the 8 weeks. They're going to consider their jobs again. They're going to consider their business. They're going to think about what are they going to make. But this is all for real. And then they're going to sell it to the school community. And hopefully they're going to make a profit. But the best bit about this is that they're going to take the profit that they make and they're going to donate it to a local community group around about St Thomas's, around about Carntyne. They're going to donate their profits, and the kids are going to decide who they're going to give that profit to. So give them a loan. Now, we're not talking mega amounts of money. Maybe give them a loan of £100 or so. They'll buy all their materials, they'll get their business going, they'll produce their business plan, they'll turn that £100 into maybe 200 or 300, and that profit, £200 or whatever it is, will get donated to the Children's Choice of Community Group. The only thing that we urge them is please don't give the money to like one of the bigger charities. Give it to somebody like a mother and toddlers group or somebody around the school who could use a little bit of a financial boost. Yeah. So it's teaching the kids that enterprise is good. Develop your enterprise skills, develop your work skills, develop skills for life and work, resilience, teamwork, confidence, self-belief, selling yourself, develop all of that. But also, if you use your enterprise brains, you can use your brains to do good in your community and to help others. It's a magnificent programme, and as I said before, I'm very grateful to Kier Construction and SPS for the support. And I do hope you'll come along. Now, just to remind you, my name is Matt Stewart. We're going to be in St Thomas's Primary School on Tuesday, the 24th of February, and Carntyne Primary School on Tuesday, the 10th of March, 9 a.m. till 3 p.m. And I'd love you to come along. Please reach out. I'm on social media. If you want to reach out to the people at Kier, you want to reach out to SBS, that's all fantastic. I'd love to see you, and I'm happy to give you more information should you wish. Yeah. Thanks very much. Have a good day. Bye.